Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a lip swatching video for you guys today. I know when you go to Ulta, most people kind of just bypass their products and go to the brand that they want, but I just stopped there and I got a bunch of these Ulta Beauty, can you see that? Ulta Beauty lipsticks in nude. So they all say nude, 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 but then you flip them over to the bottom and they're different numbers in nude. So I grabbed 3 of them. I thought I would swatch them for you guys. And then I got these 2 bad boys. They say Ulta Beauty. I don't know why they're a different packaging, so I guess they're not a nude. Yeah, well, obviously not, because that's not a nude color. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and just swatch all of these on my lips and let you guys know how they feel. Are they worth the price? They are $8 regularly. They go on sale all the flipping time, so they're much cheaper than that. So let's go ahead and just get to that video and see. Do they look good on me or not? Would you like them? Would you buy them? I don't know. So let's just go ahead and start swatching. First color here is... Man, I need glasses for this. 227. I can't even look at how tiny that is. Can you read that? Look at that. That's how tiny it is. 227 cappuccino. Let's go ahead and pull you close. Ooh. That's a beautiful color. Beautiful. It just has like that a hint of like soft frosted brown to it. Kind of like the top of a cappuccino. 225 in the buff. Wow. That's like the most perfect nude. Look at that. You saw how bright my lips were under it, and look, just kind of like cooled everything down. Beautiful. Now they do feel like a regular lipstick, honestly, just a little bit maybe thicker and a little bit moisturizing. 240 pink chocolate. Wow, there's such a beautiful color. It's like a nude with just a pinch of pink. I will have to say that I absolutely love these lipsticks so far, but especially that you can turn them upside down and you know exactly what color you're getting because they have that little sample on the bottom where they show you. So let's go ahead and go to these other ones that are not nudes. This is in 215. That's it. There's no name. It's in 215. These are such pretty colors. So creamy and so comfortable on the lips. Last one will be number 209. It looks like this glittery pink. Wow, this is so, they are so pretty and so comfortable. Okay guys, so for the ending of this video, I just went back and put 225 in the buff on because I have a more of a nude lip today I wanted. Anyways, I think that these lipsticks are really good and I'm not going to be passing them up at Ulta anymore because, I mean, how cute is this? And you know what? They're actually really super comfortable to the lip. And the fact that they show the colors on the bottom is lovely. I do love that because I don't have to be digging in my drawer and wondering what color this is. But they're very hydrating and they feel very good on the lip. I hope you guys enjoyed this swatch video. And if you did, hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.